To view market data in the Hotwatch, type any symbol into the search box at the top of the component. If you know the specific symbology, go ahead and use that. We'll look for the ESD's future here. Notice that when I did type in that ESD's 25 future, I saw also the future spreads associated with that future, so those can be selected. Clicking enter will select the first item in the list. So if I want my NASDAQ futures and I just hit enter, that's going to populate my NASDAQ futures. I can also add individual stocks here. Let's do a couple of common ones that we know, like Microsoft, NVIDIA. Note that the search is a smart search, so if you don't know the specific symbol, it can be found using the description. So if I want to look at Citibank, but I don't know the proper symbol, notice that we will search by the description. So in this case, I can add Citigroup as C. To separate these instruments, right-click to create a summary row. And here I'll call this one Equities. And I can move all of my instruments around within the Hotwatch, so I can now move all of my instruments under my equity summary row. I can also create tabs if I want to see additional data. Maybe I want to put my energies in this tab. And here I'll add a couple of crude futures. We'll do CLX, CLNOV, and we'll do NG. And all of those can be added to the Hotwatch. You can also have multiple Hotwatches in your workspace. You're not limited to just one. Note that once you do add this, the instruments, you will see market data here, bid, ask, high, low. Additional columns can be added if you care to see Greeks on any of these instruments, as well as things like VWAP, open interest, etc. These can all be added and manipulated. I'm going to add my position and the theoretical value in case I have options in here. And these columns can, of course, be configured and rearranged within the component as well if you choose.